This is the cheesy documentary on this stupid weather. There has been some lightning, but no rain yet, though. Just been a couple minutes, and you can tell it's not going to wind. There's some dust rolling over the field over there. Oh, that thing moving in. My hat. Oh, lightning. Out the back we have pretty dark clouds. Still have loud lightning. Very dark over there now. London's over that way. Well. Okay. I think I'm heading in. We are now developing rain. It's getting windy and the lightning has been getting stronger, so is the thunder. We have lots of rain coming down right now. All over. Lightning. I think I'm supposed to turn off the pump right now, but no. Lightning's about 5 to 7 seconds apart. So how's the rain? Okay. That was a split second. We have a car stuck in there. That is a car blinking away. I don't think he's moving. We have hail now. Isn't that just wonderful? Yeah, that's hail. This is where you can see the hail. About pea-sized right now. That's pretty bad. I'm actually going to attempt to turn off that pump. I have to make it fair. And I'm off. Oh man. It's not fun. Whoa! That was fun. That was close. Too close. Same brand product. So this is the weather right now. Rain. It's more than that though. Hold on. Oh great. This is the weather now. The rain is dying down, as you can see. But that's about it. Still lots of lightning, lots of wind, no hail. Jeez. Oh, okay, that was a little close. That was maybe half of 1 second. Just right over there. Oh jeez. Oh boy. That's not too good. Rain. It's getting stronger. lots of wind. Focus. You can see the sheets of rain coming. Completely dark skies, can't see anything. I am actually sweating in this. It is still really warm out. Oh, I saw the reflection. Jeez. That was close. Let's do binoculars on camera. Nope. Rain is dying down a little. There still is some. A lot of mud over there. It is still wet outside, and there's rain, but it's not as bad as before. Yeah, I shouldn't go any further. Yeah, too close. Still raining and a little bit of thunder, but for the most part, it's gone.